Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review, and welcome back to another installment of the DeAgostini Collectibles, the American Cars Collection. This is a 1/43rd scale die-cast collectible car collection like no other in the world. It's a fantastic collection. I was very happy to receive this, and I'm very happy to show this to you. I am currently working on pack number 20. Now we're almost done with this collection. I'll be receiving one more pack in the mail, and that will complete the series of this collection. So with this pack, I received stages 75 through 78. Now 75 is the AMC Javelin AMX. 76 is the Beaumont 1968. That's fantastic there. And this one I'm really excited about, the 1969 Hurst SC Rambler. That's very cool there. And lastly, 1987 Chevrolet El Camino SS, and I have fond memories of this car. One of my best friends, that's all he ever owned were these El Caminos. He let me drive one time. I loved it. I've never owned one, but I would love to own one today. So there you go. Let's look at one of the magazines. Let's look at the Hurst SC Rambler magazine here first. 12 to 13 pages, semi-gloss. Great history about the car, its beginnings, and who was involved in producing it, and wonderful photographs here of the real thing. I love the little fold out. It's not really a fold out, but it's a full page spread of the technical data of the car, and goes into detail of all the specs for this vehicle. And then they get into the American Renaults, American Motors, which doesn't exist anymore, and Gas Station Boys, Made in America. Wonderful articles here, Americana and in the automotive industry, and what was going on in the news in 1968 of June, the Wild Bunch. Alright, so let's go ahead and start off with a review of the first car, a preview of the first car, and that would be car number 75, the AMC Javelin AMX. Here's car number 75. This is the 1973 AMC Javelin AMX. And here it is right here, displayed. Very nice. And the background that's being shown here looks like back roads of Mississippi or even Arkansas. That's very cool there. Let's get a closer look at the car. And here you go. Here is the AMX. I love this. White with two-tone blue graphics, factory wheels, chrome rims. I love the body lines on this. Look at that. Look at the grill work on that. Fantastic. Windshield wiper blades, rear view mirror, rear spoiler. Look at that. I love the tail end of that. That's fantastic. Dual exhaust. Great. That looks fantastic. Let's look at the next car. Here's car number 76, the 1968 Beaumont. And here's the car here, the Pontiac Beaumont SD 1968. Looks like we may have Hawaii in the background there. That's very cool. Let's get a closer look at the car. And here we go. It's got a very nice silver finish, metallic finish to it, some white striping down below. Fantastic looking car here. Black interior. Double headlights on the front. Fantastic. Once again, that side there. Factory wheels. Black wall tires, dual exhaust, very nice. And you can see the rear view mirror inside, side view mirror, fantastic. That looks great. Let's look at the next car. The next car is car number 77, the Hurst SC Rambler from 1969. Now this is the car I'm excited about, and here it is. And it looks like we may have the Sierra Madres in the background, maybe the California desert, that type of thing. That's very cool there, and that's what it looks like. Let's get a closer view. And there you go. I love the graphics on this, the red, white, and blue scheme. The blue painted wheels, very, very nice there. The graphics on top of the hood. I love that. Black interior. I love the stance on it. You can see it kind of has a little upward stance in the back. And front nose of the car. Looks great. Tan steering wheel. Wow. You won't find a car like this anywhere else but in this collection. That's why I find this collection fantastic, because it gives you lots of different vehicles to look at. And there you go. Let's look at the final car for Pack 20. The last car in Pack 20, car 78, the 1987 Chevrolet El Camino SS. And here's the car. And it looks like we have a winter theme in the background there. Very cool there. Could be somewhere in the Midwest, maybe Michigan. And that's what that car looks like. Let's go ahead and get a closer view. High gloss black finish on this, silver striping, El Camino SS graphics, side exhausts coming off there on the front of the rear wheel, sport wheels, raised white wall tires, the lettering there, front of the nose looks fantastic, has like a burgundy colored interior. That's very cool. Would have loved to have been able to drive one of these. And like I said, a good friend of mine owned I think it was a 78 El Camino, and that sucker was nice. It was fast, and he let me drive it. And it was very cool. But this is the El Camino. And that will do it. That's all the cars for this particular pack. I'll be right back. And there you go. That was pack number 20 for the DeAgostini Collectibles, the Great American Cars Collection. Remember, this is a 1/43 die-cast metal car collection. And in this review, we looked at the AMC Javelin AMX, the Pontiac Beaumont SD, the Chevrolet El Camino SS, and lastly the AMC Rambler Hurst. If you would like to start this collection for yourself, head over to DeAgostini Collectibles. If it's not currently available, send them a note. They have an online chat, or you have a contact them. You can contact them and request that they return this collection. But they do rotate their collections, so right now they have other die-cast collections available and other kits that you can purchase. So head over to fanhome.com and see what collection best suits you. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.